The floor plan I chose before I started working here was a combined about 4 different house plans. I cut them up and I pasted them back together and I said, this is exactly what I want.
Commonly asked questions from our customers include some simple ones like, can I make this bigger? Can I move this window? Can I add something to this house plan? Pretty much if they can ask it, we can answer it. Some have financial ramifications and some don't.
So when they first are dreaming of building a new home, you have to transfer that to paper. That's the fun part of building a home from scratch, is you're able to go in and customize everything from your colors to exactly what you want.
I think that people come in and they're investing in their dream home. Behind the scenes, we're constantly tweaking things to try to make everything a smooth process to deliver a great product for our customers.
I think one of my fondest memories of working directly with a customer is when someone comes in and they can't quite articulate the home that they need for their family, but through a little bit of questioning and a little bit of leading into the right direction, we're able to help them visualize and maybe verbalize what's in their mind, and then have them ultimately nod and say, yes, that's what I'm looking for.